Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you guys can celebrate Chuseok or Korean Thanksgiving at your house by making an assortment of jeon for this October 1st. So first we're gonna make Hobakjan, which is basically pan-fried zucchini coated with flour and egg. You want to then cut the zucchini into about 1/4 inch slices. Next, for our Guccijan or pan-fried peppers stuffed with meat, I'm gonna be using bell peppers and jalapenos. You want to chop the top of the pepper off and slice them in half. Then you want to remove all the seeds and the insides of the bell pepper. Make sure all the halves of the peppers are completely clean and hollow, so that later we can stuff the meat inside. Then you want to repeat the process like you did with the bell peppers with the jalapenos. Try to avoid touching the insides of the jalapeno or wear gloves like I did to avoid spicy hands later on. Now for our jeon or pan-fried mushroom stuffed with meat. You want to take the stems off and save them so we can put them in our meat mixture. For our meat mixture, you want to finely mince the stems of the mushrooms. Then I finely minced half an onion. And I also chopped the green onion into thin slices. Then I used half of a carrot and finely minced it. Next, for our Guccijan or Skewer jeon, I cut imitation crab meat in half horizontally, then vertically. Then I used half a can of Spam and cut them into long strips. Then I used about 20 stalks of green onion and cut them into 3. And for our meat mixture, I used about 3 pounds of ground pork and 10 to 12 large shrimp. I then used a hand blender and mixed it up until it turned into a paste consistency. Then you want to add the onion, the mushroom, the green onions, and the carrot we minced up earlier. I also added 3 eggs. For the marinade, you want to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, as much pepper as I wanted, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder or fresh ginger. Then you want to mix it up and set aside while we make our skewers. To make the skewer, you want to put about 3 to 4 pieces of green onion, then Spam, then crab meat, and then 3 to 4 more pieces of green onion. Then I coated the insides of the mushroom and the pepper with flour. Then you want to coat all of the zucchini with the flour. And also coat the skewers as well. Ta-da! We did it! Then you want to take the meat mixture we made earlier and stuff the mushrooms and peppers with it as much as you can. I then cracked 8 eggs and whipped them up. I then dipped the skewers and the zucchini in the egg mixture and pan fried them with some oil. You want to cook them on medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. For the mushrooms and the bell peppers, you want to coat them with flour, meat side down, and then coat them with egg. For the mushrooms and the bell peppers, you want to cook them on medium-low heat for about 4 minutes, meat side down, and then 1 minute on the other side. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope you make Jeon on Korean Thanksgiving. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, turn on your notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Bye!